Hey there fitness enthusiasts, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our quick chest workout series designed to help you build a stronger and more defined chest in no time. Today we will kick off level 1 with 3 effective exercises that target your chest muscles. Let's dive right in. Exercise 1, push-ups. Get ready to challenge your upper body strength. Start in a high plank position and shoulder width apart and engage your core. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up explosively. Repeat this for 10 reps. Exercise 2, dumbbell chest press. Grab a pair of dumbbells and lie flat on a bench. Hold the dumbbells at your shoulder level with your palms facing forward. Extend your arms straight up, bringing the dumbbells together. Lower them back to the shoulder level, feeling that deep stretch in your chest. Perform 12 reps. Exercise 3, chest flies. Lie back on the bench, holding the dumbbells directly over your chest with palms facing each other. Slowly lower your arms out to the sides in a controlled manner, maintaining a slight bend in your elbows. Feel that stretch in your chest and squeeze your pecs as you bring the weights back up. Complete 12 reps. That's it for level 1 of a quick chest workout series. Remember to take short breaks between exercises and perform 3 sets in total. Stay tuned for level 2 where we will introduce more challenging variations. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for joining us today. Keep pushing, keep striving, and I will see you in the next video.